Hi, I'm Dr. Greg, and I made my dogs a batch of dog food, and I decided to join them. How many of you could do this with your dogs? I'm eating the food because I know it's nice and healthy. It's got chicken, peas, carrots, and it's got this wonderful bones in it I leave in from the crock pot. Don't ever take the bones out. You don't have to crush them up or blend them because they're nice and chewable. When you eat the bones, it has all the cartilage in it, marrow, and calcium and phosphorus. It's great. I'll just share it with Tucker. Here, Tucker, here's a bone. Because this has healthy, whole food in it. And especially for dogs that has problems, or you can put on the dry food. Let's say your dog has a lot of itching problems, or ear problems, or vomits all the time, or has diarrhea. In the past, what I used to do is treat animals with lots of pills and medications. But now, I use avoiding allergens, avoiding some foods, and if your dog has a lot of problems, it's cheap and easy to cook on your own for your dog. A lot of people say, Dr. Greg, it's too hard for me to cook for my dog. I barely cook for myself. In fact, when I get home after a long day, I don't want to cook for anybody or anything. The package, and then you take a sharp knife and you cut it in half. Why am I cutting it in half? Well, you cut it in half because most dogs only need about 30% protein. Boy, this is starting to look better and better, isn't it? Probably better than most of the stuff we all eat. So there we go. We have the chicken, the green beans, the peas and carrots, the chicken livers, and you know what? If you go through your fridge, maybe you don't even need green beans because if you have old squash or you have old cauliflower, just put it in there because why waste anything? Just throw it in. How about an old carrot? Just break up the old carrots. They're getting flexible. Nobody wants to eat them. They're all flexible. That's what it goes in the crock pot. Now this is one of the most important things. You add enough water so it doesn't burn. Once you get the water in, you cover it and you slow cook it for 8 to 10 hours. The bones are going to get soft and crumbly. If you're one of the people that owns a dog that has chronic problems with the skin, maybe hotspots, has chronic problems with the ear infections keep coming back even when they've been treated, then you may want to cook a homemade diet. That way you can tell what's in it and you'll know that it's all wholesome, healthy food ingredients. Not everybody needs to do that. If you just want to use the homemade diet, the crockpot diet as an additive, you can also do that. Those additives are whole and healthy and you can put it on dry dog food to make it a better diet. So you can take a dry dog food that's not so expensive and make it a real expensive diet.